Peace moves with Fubara is an order from President Tinubu, says Wike. Welcome, country people, to Synod Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Put on your notification button so you go receive notification once we drop our updates. Also like, comment, and share our videos. Former governor of Rivers State, Nyesom Wike, when he be the current minister of the Federal Capital Territory, he don talk say the meeting when he get with Siminalayi Fubara, the suspended governor of Rivers, he say na President Bola Tinubu na ask am make him do so. Wike, he dey talk this one for one interview when he do with the BBC Pidgin English, when he dey talk concerning the quarrel when he get with Fubara. Wike said the president call me and ask us to make peace. He come ask the president, you go tell me make I make peace and I no go do am. The minister come talk say he come meet Fubara in the company of two governors so that they go fit resolve the Rivers crisis. He say Fubara come in place with some governors to meet am. He say he welcome Fubara during that visit. He come repeat say he dey committed to peace for Rivers State. The minister talk say the meeting when he do with Fubara, he show say him, Wike, he dey open to peace. According to am, if I don't want peace, I won't allow him to come to my place. We even spoke on the phone just the other day. Wike come say in contact Governor Fubara, say the decision to embrace genuine reconciliation e dey for a hand. I told him that the yam and the knife are in his hands, so he knows where best to cut. If you want genuine peace, you can have it. If you want us to pretend, we can. Wike come talk say he not get problem with Fubara. He described Fubara as a political pikin. He say, but now the people when you want to steal, waiting they not work for. He say he not get battle with Fubara. Na him boy, na him son. Why he go fight with her? He say, I am only fighting against people who want to steal what they did not work for. People like Celestine Omehia, Abiye Sekibo, and Austin Okpara. He said they want hijack the government. He said he don't defeat them before, and he will give them the final defeat. According to his words, when you don't defeat them to the final stage. Now they are ashamed because they are being defeated. They are the ones pushing Fubara. President Bola Tinubu, for March 18, he declared state of emergency for Rivers, say because of the political instability and the security challenges for the state. The president say that time security reports, he can't reveal pipeline vandalism by militants, and the state government not do anything about it. He can't direct security agencies to protect lives, infrastructure, and especially oil pipelines throughout Rivers. The president also appoint Vice Admiral Ibok Ete Ibas retired as administrator to oversee Rivers affairs during the emergency. However, the declaration of the state of emergency for Rivers, it can come under criticism by some stakeholders and groups in and outside of Rivers State. e con cause mass protest. People dey protest for and against. One coalition of united political parties, e con describe the declaration of state of emergency for Rivers, say na dangerous precedent for Nigerian democracy. The coup national secretary, when e name na High Chief Peter Ame, e come for one statement when e give that time, come say na selective application of the state of emergency decree. Ame come talk say by suspending Governor Siminalayi Fubara and appointing a sole administrator, he say President Tinubu he openly disregard the constitution and undermine the principles of democracy. Well, all this one don take place now in the past. Now the future now, everybody dey look to. This peace move, e go resolve the intractable problem for Rivers once and for all. Abi na the fits and starts. E go be like say one solve, the next moment another one go happen. Wetin go happen last last? They go lift the suspension of the emergency rule so that Fubara go return. Or when they lift am in return, the trouble will come start all over again. Well, tomorrow go tell us. Country people, na our story be this.